This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable sensitive content on Telegram. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Telegram here. I have the Telegram app opened up now. To enable or disable sensitive content, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, you want to go down to where it says Chat Settings and click on Chat Settings. Then you will scroll down toward the bottom and right down here, Sensitive Content. It says Show 18 Plus Content. By default, mine is toggled off, but you could toggle it on or you can turn it off. That is how to enable or disable sensitive content on Telegram. Thanks for watching.